I'm successfully up on ramps thanks to the help of my friend CG. Here we go. Got the filter. I've got the correct filter tool to remove it. And I've got all my stuff. I've got my disposal can. And I've got new oil. I feel really good about it this time. Here we go. I'm gonna time myself. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, here we go. Going under. Okay, so I just drove here, so the engine oil should still be hot. Got my wrenches, except I have the proper filter wrench this time. So I'm gonna put that under there because that'll help get the filter. Here's the new filter. And that, the drain bolt. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You ready, Teddy? There we go. Yeah. I'll be doing something else in summer. Yeah, there we go. All right, here we go. And we're gonna have splashdown. Ready? Here we go. Splashdown! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! And it's open. Splashdown! Splashdown! That's such a good sight. Woo! Woo! Hey! Oh yeah. It's pretty bad. If we never about that. That's pretty cool. Still peeing down. I've unscrewed the oil filter cap up here, waiting for it to stop peeing down here. Got everything except for just a few little drips. I've got the new drain bolt right here. Great success. That was a great success. Should send this to Spencer. Woo. All right. Okay, let's keep going. So far it's been 5 minutes and 26 seconds. That's my birthday, 5:26. Alrighty, drip drop out of there. All right, we've got splashdown. Splash-diddy splashdown. Maintain your distance, girl, remember? Be safe. Good job, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Cool story, bro. Woo! These goggles are sweaty. Okay, I'm gonna pour some new oil into this filter right here. And right here is the drain bolt thingy, which I'm taking the old one off because they said to replace it. Splash down.
You, sorry.
It's okay, I like distractions. I'm a chronic distraction. We know that. Good call. New oil.
I hate it when I have to sneeze, but I can't.
That's the worst. So I'm lubricating the outside of the oil filter because it wants to be lubricated. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm gonna meet my 20-minute mark. First time it took me 4 hours. Here we go. Okay, keep splashing down there, buddy. I have the proper tool this time. Yeah. Ah, look at that tool. Are you filming? Yes, you're filming.
It's a good thing you didn't wear a white shirt.
Right, strategic. Ah, F.
That's funny.
Take off the front panel again. Thanks, aren't they sexy?
Oh, yeah. Totally.
Runway. Wow. It's got oil all over it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take. Unless Cody has a longer one of these, then I could just pop it right off.
Most likely.
See here? Yeah, that's not gonna work. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it.
Darn it.
Let me try to just hand screw it off.
We can't go back to school this year.
I heard that.
Yeah, and I'm like, oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, and I have to practice my recorder, but I don't have my recorder because it's at school.
Oh, what a life. I'm sorry, girl.
Yeah, but since they cancel
I only brought like one notebook. That's it.
Ah, that's hot. That's
also not letting us go back into the building for our stuff.
yeah, that sucks. I'm sorry. But it's okay. You guys will not even remember this in like 2 years.
That I missed half of 7th grade.
Yes, that exactly. Righty tighty lefty loosey. Righty tighty lefty loosey. That's left. Okay. If we never, I'm gonna have to take this panel off, which sucks. All right.
I'm gonna be at 13 in like 3 or 4 weeks.
Girl, that's a big deal. When's your birthday?
It's on April 30th.
You kiddos might want to back up a little bit. Just because you never know, I could contain a virus. Oh yeah. All right.
This year is coming. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna sleep on the floor.
Nice. That's a win.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to access the oil filter though I'm taking the panel off. I have the right thing. Tell them I just need a longer one of these.
Because mom's touching the same thing that you touched.
Come on. How do I use this stinking thing? I like this though. This is pretty cool. All right.
toe to toe.
Oh yeah? You know what? I have a filter wrench. Let me try this. There we go. That doesn't even fit it. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? That's so frustrating. They gave me the wrong component. That's okay. It's not his fault. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. So this would work if this were the right size, but it's not. Yeah. Yeah. So it needs to be a little bit bigger than this. This thing's cool. Yeah, she is. Did I get you? Oh. Some sawdust. Okay, this should work. Let's try that. I believe. Do you guys believe? I need to make that 20 minutes for my own personal pride. Oh, I think that might work. Okay, let's see. Lefty loosey, lefty loosey, lefty.
Pretty sure Dad still uses that. Every regardless.
This engine is hot. If we never met, I'd be drunk waking up in someone else's bed. Fake friends, I was dead if we never met. Come on.
Lincoln's always like,
Oh my god, I think I actually know how to work this now. Yay!
He's also
Oh, I just put my hair in the oil. Oops. That's okay. My hair needed some conditioning.
I don't think that's gonna clean it.
I don't think so either. I think you're right, girl. Stay. Stay, little filter thingy. Stay.
Why do you have a chair here?
Why do you have a face here?
Ouch.
I know, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
We were playing a game on the VR the other day when Dad hit me. Like, I was doing absolutely nothing.
Girl, you know, every time I come here, you tell me about how your dad hit you. Or Siege hit you. Your dad or your mom.
Did I tell you about how abusive?
Yeah, you're so abusive. Oh, wow.
Yeah, like I was just sitting there and Dad decided he wants to hit me.
This is frustrating. I got the right tool and everything. If we never met, I'd be drunk waking up in someone else's bed. Come on, Jessica, get it. Get it. I don't want to take the front panel off. Oh, I think.
Is it just tight or is it not gripping?
I just can't get it to stay. It's okay. I'm gonna use Plan A. Thank you for this. Plan A is my original. Because it was tightened by Jessica Kirsh, maybe Jessica Kirsh can untighten it rather than the factory. This thing's a POS, but that's okay. Oh yeah. Now I remember the whole body soreness from this. Oh yeah. Come on.
Is anything actually going to change when I turn? So, we live in the standpoint.
Life is not.
I know.
You'll go through puberty even more.
I don't think that's really possible.
Oh yes!
What?
Hallelujah!
Did you get it?
That's so exciting.
Still in the 20-minute mark.
I doubt it, but I'll take it. Rah! I'm so excited. Oh, that's so hot. Out.
Why is it hot?
because it came from a hot engine. Filling.
You're in 12 seconds. Well,
It's not 12 seconds.
Sorry.
12 minutes is pretty good. Yeah. You guys want to wash your hands in this?
Ooh, yeah. That looks so clean. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Another glove.
I can't get in the frame. My other glove, I don't know. Wow, I am super stoked about that. I'm not gonna lie. I think you could tell probably. Somebody without oil on their hands, would you mind just moving this so it is turned a little towards me? Thank you. Perfect. Okay, got the filter off because it was torqued Jessica style. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to replace the drain bolt with
Concentrated pee.
yeah. The darker it is, the more it needs to be changed. Here's the drain bolt. Here is the new, whatever they charged me $1.88 for, gasket thing. I'm gonna put the drain plug back on. Here we go. Oh, this is so much faster than last time. Here we go, there we go. Hi. All right, here we go. Feeling good.
I think you're gonna have to do a lot of editing.
That's the best part. I don't want to edit it out. Here's the fun. If we never met. I can't believe it's filming again. It said it was full.
Sure, it can still film even if it's full.
Yeah?
Just can't save it.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
All right, drain plug is going on. I'm plugging her back. I'm putting the tampon in. What? Did I just say that?
Yeah.
Gotta plug that hole. Ooh, there's oil leaking down my hand. Alrighty, gonna tighten her up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
No.
Tighten.
It's lefty tighty.
Jessica torqued. Woo! I feel so good and empowered.
I want to tie my shoes, but I don't want to because it takes forever to untie.
What a life. You know, they're.
4 certified.
Really?
Yeah.
Gosh, I love the outdoors.
I was playing jammy still, and I was just playing games on the iPad.
Living the life.
Yeah. This big forest is definitely not.
Being a teenager.
Oh my god!
Can't wait till this phase.
Over. Then I'll be completely useless.
On the country.
Come on, wrench. Work with my hand. Work with me. All right.
Look, did I need you just to be
I think it's on there pretty tight. I'm gonna trust it.
I said no.
Old filter is still on.
Almost done. Almost done.
Oh, yeah. Teenager goals.
You called me late.
Okay, here it comes. Pee down. Pee down. See my grays coming in? They really stick out with this hairstyle. It's okay.
I like a few wisps of gray.
You think so? Okay. Yeah, well, yeah.
My hair's more lighter.
Yeah. It's not a big deal. Oh, hallelujah. I don't need this. No, don't leave anymore. I don't need this anymore, thank you. I don't need this anymore. Okay, thank you.
Jessica, don't it look so cool using 2 scooters?
Totally, like the coolest I've ever seen. So cool. Dun, 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 dun. tighten this. Here we go. Up the filter. Good, and put some oil in there. Yeah, there we go. Alright, and then I'm gonna tighten it with my filter wrench. Righty. It's hard when you're under, like upside down. I'm like, which way? Alright.
I saw wet cement over there, and it reminded me of this part in the office when there was wet cement outside of their building, and Michael put
I'm really proud. What'd you say? Oh, I think I got it. Thanks, though, Link. Here we go. Final ending. All right. Final ending. What is leaking? I tightened you. Why are you leaking? I think it's clean oil. Oh yeah, it's tight. Okay. Drain bolt is back on with a new gasket. Filter is on with oil inside of it. Almost done. Really this time. Thanks, Siege. Even just the support is awesome.
You opened the box and it was like all
Ugh.
on the side.
Ugh. Gross. It was delivered. Was it warm?
Yes.
Good.
It tasted just
Good.
just a little.
Yeah, didn't make my... Gosh, as a kid, all I wanted, you like couldn't keep me inside.
Right?
Yeah.
Same here.
Sorry, my butt crack is hanging out, I think. Yay, I love this cleanup. It's so much easier than last time.
Cause I just put it in here and then I put it in my car.
Cool.
Throw it in their trash can.
Really? So I don't have to transport it? That would be awesome. I brought it like extra bags because my mom's like a double bag freak. All right. Not bad. Okay. Guess I should put that down for splashdown. These are my tools. Yay! So much faster this time. Whew. All right. Use the rest of this. And 4 quarts.
Is your oil change skills self-taught?
Oh yeah. My friend Spencer, he was on video chat with me last oil change. And that's how I did it. But he's got a baby, he's married, and he wasn't there the whole time. He had to go to dinner. But I was so glad when he came back. Spencer! He helped me take my piano off. This is awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna assume that when this looks full, it's going to be full. Let's see.
That house like changed so quickly. I remember like before we left, it was just a little nub of concrete.
There was this one room that we couldn't figure out.
Oops.
Yeah, remember how we were talking about that like restroom maybe?
One on that side behind the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
small.
It could be a game room. My friends had a game room with a closet. It's possible.
Yeah, and then there's like these 3 closet size.
Yeah, those are nice.
One's probably a pantry.
One's the pantry.
One's
One's
probably a linen closet.
I wonder
One
if it's
might be for
possible
like
to-
a water heater.
Woo! I have no idea how full this is.
Yeah.
Just keep going till it spits up. It's a deep tank there. Oh yeah, that's what the engine oil dipstick's for. Come on, dipstick,
Stop
Jessica.
looking at Jessica's car, you creep.
It's fine. There's nothing in there that's really sexy at all. It's all
creep. Okay, so now I'm gonna look at your car.
It doesn't seem like it's full. All right, dipstick time.
You have just a random light in your car.
A what?
A random light.
Light on in my car?
No, just a light.
Are you gonna play VR?
What are you talking about?
Come over and help
It's a
me
light.
trim this.
Like
I
a
love
lamp.
trimming trees, yes.
It's
Do
a
you have a
lamp.
trimmer? I'm a pro. Not a pro. Oh, your hair is up. I just noticed it. So cute.
Did you notice my haircut?
I will when I look at it, I'm sure, but hers is like different. Yours is cute. Did you notice my not haircut?
Ooh.
Hey, I did cut it like 3 inches though myself. Oh yeah. It's called budget friendly.
Yeah, like next week I'm
Oh,
gonna.
you cut mine?
Yeah, because it's
Next
just
week-
the dead ends.
Next week I'm gonna bleach my hair.
I thought that all of your hair was dead.
There's like
And as long as it starts up and doesn't fry itself, then I think we're good.
You can take it to your head if you need to. Yeah, I can't afford that.
But yeah, you're right. Check the. Woo! That's good news. I think I did because of the whole mishap.
towel?
It's a rag.
Yeah, that's true.
Don't you worry. All right, here's the final part. I wish I could show it.
here, I can do it.
Can you? Do you mind?
Yeah.
You have enough room? Woo! Okay, I'll grab that in a second. Thank you. If you want to back up just a little bit. Thanks, Link. There we go. Okay, we're testing the dipstick. So you put it in, you wipe it off. And there's a low, I don't know why it's that low and full. It's not very far apart. It doesn't make any sense, but that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna stick it back in, push it down, and then pull it out. Here we go. And see how the oil is up to that level? Full! And that's the end. Thanks, Link.
Okay, now you have to start.
Do you want me to stop it?
You could just keep it on. You just want to set it back on that table. So now I have to start it and pull off the ramps. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna say some prayers that I didn't infect you all with virus. Wow! Yay!
I've heard it since the guy that was trying to get everybody to help him with like the street stuff. What guy?
All right.
That was Mom.
There we go. Now I'm gonna pull it off. There's oil on the screen.
Throwing this away?
No. They just are covered in oil. And Finny. Sanitizer.
Wait, are you gonna put?
It started right up.
Must have done something right.
Must have done something right. Thank you, Serge. Sorry for this. You want me to wipe them off?
No.
I don't mind. way. That's okay, thank you guys. Later, Siege, later, have fun. Oh, door's open. Look good on that little bike. All right, later. Okay, you guys either. Bye. Okay, I just finished my oil change. I'm a little sweaty and I've got some oil on my pants, but that's okay because that's what they're for, is to, you know, wear them. And I did it in under an hour. I had 20 minutes allocated, but I got 2 CGs, got the ramps, got it on the ramps, got it underneath, got the filter or drain plug off, filter off, replaced the drain plug with the new gasket, put a new filter on with new oil inside of it and then around the rim, screwed that back on, made sure both of those are nicely torqued up there. And then I poured four quarts of new oil in, semi-synthetic blend. Then I measured it and it was full. And then I started it up and backed it off the ramps and here I am. So I'm gonna get gas and go on my way. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. I definitely made progress from my last oil change. So if you haven't seen that, take a look at that. I struggled quite a bit, but progress, learning, and just goes to show that you can learn anything from somebody as long as they know what they're doing, right? So thanks, Spencer, so much for showing me the ways. Till next time, see you guys. I can't kiss because my hands have oil in them. Bye.